Hi guys, 3 items I bought here. This one looks like it's something to do with Ghostbusters. Hanna-Barbera, it's the company. I think that says TW and Hanna-Barbera. It's just a pullback car. I wind it up. It's see-through. I just wondered if it might be fun to put some lights in there or something when it goes along. So 60p, I thought I'd buy it just for the fun of it. I'll leave that for a sec. Right, one of those puzzles. 99p, that one cost me. And I bought it because I found myself just playing with it in the shop. And I was getting fairly close to getting it together. Not all the way, but sort of close. And I thought, well, if I'm going to spend that much time fiddling with it in the shop, I'd better buy it and take it home and try and do it. So I'll have a go at that sometime. Obviously you fold it up into a cube. Sort of better than that. Right, this thing might look a bit familiar because I bought one the other day. There it is, identical car. This one I spent quite a bit of time taking it apart, cleaning out all the hair that was caught in it, and then when I ran it, turn it on might help, mightn't it? Sounds alright till you put it on the ground, and then you can probably hear it clicking there. It's got a tooth missing in one of the gears. So that one goes on the junk pile. The receiver's fine, steering works, motor's okay, but the gears are broken. So this one, which feels lighter, so I'm guessing there's no batteries in it. Exactly the same, 27 megahertz. So let's try our luck. I can see it's got bits of hair in it as well, but I'm not going to do a full teardown video on this one because I've already done it and it'll be identical. Right, what do we want? 3 batteries. 1, 2, not a matching set, but that should do. It's on. Nothing happens. Interesting. I haven't done anything silly like put one in upside down. No, it'll look okay. I might have to do a tear down on it then. Try a different transmitter just in case. Oh, that's frustrating. So this one's got something wrong with it too. But it's not those batteries, because I've checked them. They're all good batteries. That switch seems a bit stiff. Okay. Should we have a quick look inside, see if it's anything obvious, like a wire off. Okay. seems okay. Nothing obvious. Battery wires are okay. Yeah, it's nothing loose. Just check that transmitter's still working. Let's try bypassing the on-off switch. It goes into there. Nope, so it's not the on-off switch. Try bypassing the negative. Nope. I'll try an external battery pack. That's not going to work because I got them in the wrong way around. Right. That way. Right, that's negative, which is there. Positive goes through to there. Nope, nothing happening there. Of course, it could be the transmitters, because that was the only transmitter that I could get this one to talk to. I'm going to have to spend a bit more time studying this, aren't I? That's a shame. I thought that would be a nice quick one, and then I could have got on with the puzzle instead. Well, that was interesting. I spent a lot of time fiddling with it. No success at all. I was measuring voltages and that sort of thing, and I could get the motors to run by connecting batteries directly to them, but nothing with that transmitter at all. That's the other car still going. And then I tried all my other transmitters and none of them worked. So then I fiddled around with it a little bit more and tried adjusting the trim pot a little bit. And look, we're now talking to this transmitter. Not talking to that one at all. Although that one is. But now this one is happy with this transmitter. So that was adjusting the trim pot. Just there. Just a tiny bit. And that seemed to bring it back into range. So I'll put it back together. Well, before I do that, I really ought to clean out some of that hair and dust that's in there. And then we'll see if it runs. Well, now they're working. Unfortunately, if I try using both at the same time, they don't work. It's probably because the channels interfere with each other now, or the frequencies. But we'll do the old one first, which is the one on the left. Clicking away. And now the new one, which I've got rid of all the hair and that. Sounds a lot happier, doesn't it? So, a winner. They don't have a very tight turning circle, that's as tight as it'll turn. Oop. Yeah, not very tight at all. In fact, doesn't turn very well left at all. Still, that one works. Success. Just in case anybody was interested, I did manage to crack the cube in the end. Took a while, but I got there in the end. I might do a video on it if I get time.